What's up, superstars? Back with another video. You got Superstar Rob, and you got Superstar Nation. How you guys doing? Guys, beating me up every single day because you know every single day we're going to be hitting you with another video. Guys, make sure you don't forget, become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fam, hit the bell notification button so you get every single video, every single day. We do not miss. Hit that bell, and therefore you can always stay up to date. Also, Superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Get the star beside your name, access to our spreadsheets, giveaways. You can reach out to us anytime on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. And also in our description below, we have our Discord. Our Discord is a great way to join Superstar Nation. You can interact with the rest of the superstars there. We got people from all different projects that you can speak with, all your favorite digital collectible projects, including Cryptoys. So you can join our chat there and join the conversation. We also now have the Superstar Utility Program. Every single month, you can earn stars. You can earn stars by either becoming a VIP. You can mint a Cryptoy with our affiliate link below and then let us know in the Discord. You can max mint or buy 5 Cryptoys with our affiliate link and let us know in our Discord. You can also buy a Superstar Money hat. That's in our description as well if you want to join our merch shop, and you can earn stars that way. And at the end of the month, we're going to be guaranteed prizes. Either is going to be a Superstar Money hat, Superstar Money shirt, and up to 5 Cryptoys cubes actually donated so kindly by Cryptoys. So we're very excited about this program. We think that it's a great way to give back to Superstar Nation for all their support. So I hope all you guys are having a wonderful day. And today I want to talk a little bit about Cryptoys, but there's a specific IP that we haven't mentioned much of, and that's Masters of the Universe. So Masters of the Universe is on Cryptoys. It is a Mattel IP. If there's any Masters of the Universe fans out there, you can come onto the Cryptoys platforms and you can start unboxing cubes to get some of your favorite characters. The nice thing about Cryptoys is that they're bringing to us a new age, okay? It's going to be the age of these futuristic toys. It's the future of play, where we're going to have an opportunity to take some of our favorite characters from our some of the best IP in the world, like Mattel's Masters of the Universe, and actually be able to interact with them. There's going to be AI integration. There's going to be mobile games. There's going to be ways that you can earn rewards within their platform. So if you want to get on that bandwagon a little bit earlier, you can do that. And one way to do that is by buying a Cryptoy. So I just want to go over it a little bit today. It's pretty cool when you start looking at some of these things. So I'm just going to start off. Actually, I think I have the first rarity. Let me pull this up right now because they've done 3 different drops. So there's 3 different waves of Masters of the Universe, and they've done this incrementally, different characters each time. The first wave, I'm just going to pull it down here. The way Cryptoys works is that there's different rarities. So you have the common, you got the uncommon, the rare, the epic, the legendary, the grail, and the ultra grail. So there's lots and lots of really different, like they all have different probabilities. The rarer it is, the harder it is to get. But in the first wave, we have He-Man, we have Evelyn, Triclops, and Battle Cat. And by the way, just in terms of the rarities, if you go into our description below, you can actually open up the Superstar Money probability sheet. I have the rarities because it's not listed on the website. I have the rarities for each drop of Masters of the Universe that you can check out. It also gives you, using some math and probabilities, it gives you an idea of your chances as you buy more and more. So it just makes sense. Like if you flip a coin, 100 times, you have a 50% chance of getting heads, but you pretty much know that if you're going to flip it 100 times, you have a 100% chance of hitting heads at least once. So it's the same kind of idea with these. The more you go for it, the more times you give yourself a chance at getting something that's a little bit more rare. Never guaranteed until a certain point. But this, if you're interested, you can check that out. And again, yeah, like the first wave is very fun wave. He-Man is a really popular character. He is the main good guy in that series. So if you're interested, you can definitely check that out. Now, we also have the second wave. So they came out with another wave. This one has Orko, Beastman, Tila, and Trapjaw. So you can check it out down here. If you come down, you can see the commons, pretty cool. Uncommon, like a little bit more of a green tint to it. The rares are like almost that icy feel. The epic, so the epics, you got just kind of like a play on their nature. And then legendary, got that kind of white warrior. Grail, very cool, right? With the Black Panther looking kind of stuff. And then the ultra grail which is their iconic blue. You'll see a lot of that with Cryptoys. Okay. And then lastly, we have the third wave here. Third wave is a very great wave. You have Skeletor, Panther, Sorceress, and Man-at-Arms. So if you take a look quickly, we've got the common, uncommon. Look at that pink. Game matches my hat. Superstar money colors right there. Rare, which is the Skeletor looks pretty cool, all red like that. We got the epic. I do like that kind of pattern colored look on the over here on the far right. We got the white look for the legendaries. Again, the black look for the Grail, and then the Ultra Grail. We have that blue, that sharp blue. So these are all very cool. Just one thing to note is that the Ultra Grails are extremely, extremely difficult to get. But good luck to everybody if you can get it. That's great. And I think a lot of them are still floating out there. I'm not really sure anyone's landed an Ultra Grail yet on Masters of the Universe. But don't hold me to that because I don't know for sure. But eventually, as time goes on, as you expect, as the platform grows, somebody's going to be that lucky winner, right? Somebody's going to get the lucky guy who's gonna get one of these Ultra Grails. But nonetheless, whatever you get, it's fun. And I'm just going to walk you through it actually because I have a Cryptoys account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the Wave 3s, okay? So good luck to me. I'm just going to go ahead and open this cube. The unboxing experience is really, really cool. If you are not familiar with Cryptoys, you'll see here that they put a lot of time and effort into their unboxing experience. So let's take a look. It's going to be loud here. So let's start our experience. And coming up here soon. But yeah, like Cryptoys definitely puts a lot of pride into the unboxing experience. You're gonna see that right now. All right, tap and hold Cryptoys Cube to unbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You gotta wait for that little thing to go away in the bottom right corner. Get some Rubik's Cube vibes on it. All right, very cool. So be very careful that if you're new to this, you don't just keep clicking on the screen because you might accidentally unwrap the box, okay? So I got a common Man-at-Arms, and one thing to check, you always want to check this, is the mint number. So I got number 5365 of 5400. So generally speaking, the lower the mint number, the more value in a way they are. They're more cool. It's like a better flex to have a lower mint number. People just care about having a lower mint number the same way that people just care about having a higher rarity, right? They look cool. They're harder to get, so people flex with them more, right? They bring them onto the block and they flex with them more. The same goes as well with the mint numbers, believe it or not. I always thought this was the strangest thing when I first entered the digital collectible space, that for whatever reason, then a single digit is considered better than a double digit, and a double digit is considered better than a triple digit. And of course, a triple digit is considered better than a 4-digit. There are exceptions to that, depending on certain things, like the year. Like maybe if the year that collectible came out in the physical world, sometimes it's a special year 2000, then that mint number matches 2000. It might be a special collector item that some collectors are going to want. In this case, I'm almost at the bottom, and believe it or not, there is a very small niche of collectors. I'm not one of them, by the way. Okay. There's a small niche of collectors that are interested in collecting mint numbers that are at the bottom of the chain. So the idea is that these are all NFTs, right? So they're all backed by unique numbers. So the 5365 of 5400 is going to be near the bottom of the chain. So there is a niche group of collectors that are interested in that. So I'm not going to open it up. I do have another Man-at-Arms here that I will open up. Let's take it for a spin on the block. So the nice things about the Masters of the Universe is that you can actually bring it onto the block. And the block is not fully developed right now. It's intended to be kind of like a tester for you to be able to play around with it. But it's pretty cool that Cryptoys does offer it to us, because what they're showing us is, here's our product. We can give you an idea of how it's going to be, how the experience is going to be. And you could just quickly, unwrap your Cryptoy. You can unwrap your Masters of the Universe Cryptoy, and then you can go for a walk. So let's just press any key to start. So I'm going to go ahead, start. Here's my instructions: WASD, spacebar to jump, tap to walk or run. Get some nice calming spa music here, right? take a look at this. So what you got to be impressed with the actual animations in the character, right? Even in the face, because when he jumps, you actually see the attention to detail. You get the blinking motion, almost kind of like he's in the air, almost like kind of shocked or surprised. And yeah, like even when he moves around, the way he moves his arms, moves his legs. So you can see that this is fully animated. It's intended to be fully animated because it's intended to be gamified. And I think that's probably the biggest thing, is that this will be gamified one day. So the team's working that over there. I can switch him from running or walking with tab. So he's walking around here. Even the right, I can zoom in like this, get a little zoom around. But again, yeah, this is the block. So over time, the block will transform to actually have more. There's if you want, you can go to the Cryptoys website, you can go to their white paper, their white pages. They talk about play sets. They talk about buildings. So there's a lot coming to the block in the near future. Now the team hasn't been very specific with when those dates would be, but we know they're coming based on their white pages, and the team has reiterated their commitment to provide these things in this block space. So I think this is going to be like pretty cool. I'm excited about it. I'm curious to know what you guys think about it. So yeah, like I got, if you guys opened any boxes, make sure you let me know in the description below. I also want to stress, if you do decide to use our affiliate link, please go into our Discord and let us know so I can get you stars, and you might be able to win even more cubes. Okay, so make sure you guys do that. And guys, so if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash subscribe, and enjoy the Superstar fam, and hit the bell notification to get every single video, every single day. We do not miss. You know we do not miss. So hit that bell. Also, thank you to our Superstar VIPs. It's $2.99 a month. Star beside your name, access to special spreadsheets. And by the way, we definitely want to bring as much utility as possible to the VIP membership, which is why we're so excited about the Superstar Utility Program. So again, you can use our affiliate link below, mint a Cryptoy, and we'll get you some stars. But you got to let me know in the Discord so I can assign you those stars. You can also, for all our VIP members, you're going to get some stars. And you can also buy Superstar Money hat. We'll get you some stars for that. So guys, thank you all so much. We appreciate your support. Take care, and we'll see you next one. Bye-bye.